I've just decided that at 95, I'm fed up of 9 to 5. I've spent over 20 something odd years and I need to know more about business, and we're best to learn it from Justin and James. Oh gosh, there's so many things that I've learned, but the one that stands out the most is about the customer avatar, and secondly about the funnel system. That really makes a lot of sense to me. I don't know why I didn't think about it before, but however, now I've got a lot of information to go by, so raring to go. Well, I think they're both fantastic presenters. They're both fantastic teachers. I love the way they teach. They reinforce everything that they've taught. I like the way Justin teaches. I like the way James teaches. James is so knowledgeable about Facebook and all the social media business. Is unbelievable. I would say just do it. You have a lot of information that will bring your business into the 21st century. There's so much that is covered. However, there's also a mastermind, like an academy thing that can actually help you to further your business in different perspectives. You set goals, personal goals, professional goals, how much you want to be earning in about a year's time. And with the stuff that they've actually taught you, it's so vital. I see you cracking it. So do it.